Hello friends, it's Rachel here, and I'm coming at you with some cards. These are shaker cards for Scrapbook Nerd. We are doing a card making online crop for International Card Making Day. And my cards are a little non-traditional. They're not really cards that you open and close. They are shaker cards. So I have shown videos in the past where you can write on the back of these cards, write a letter or note. I'm not going to do that for this, but you could do that if you wanted to make it more personalized. So all you have to do for these is get some of your cut aparts or ephemera, get some sequins or sequin mixes or whatever, and you can either use a sewing machine or fuse tool, and I'm also using page protectors here. So these were just 12 by 12 page protectors that came in an album, and I'm cutting them up, sewing them up, and adding some of these fun sequin spiders in. I think Cheryl gave me those spiders, but as for the products I am using Spooky Nights from Simple Stories, and at the time I'm doing this recording, the shop still has enamel dots, which I will use in these cards, and they have the page pieces, which actually I didn't use. I don't have the page pieces, but what page pieces is basically it's a mini ephemera pack, so it's much cheaper, not much cheaper, but it's like a couple bucks cheaper than a regular ephemera pack, and it comes with enough pieces in there to make a complete layout if you wanted to, or use them individually. I think it's quite a neat idea. I've had the football one before from Simple Stories, that Scrapbook Nerd, that I got from Scrapbook Nerd, and I used that on a layout and then had a few extra pieces, and it was so easy to put together this this layout that I did. Anyway, they have the page pieces, and it looks like you can be notified for the paper pad and the bits and pieces. I don't know if they are getting more in, but that is what's on the website at the time of this recording. So yes, that's what they have up there now, but I'm sure there will be new Halloween collections coming, so be on the lookout for that. But of course, like I said, at the time of this recording, it's a little bit before Halloween. I just like doing things ahead of time, you know? So I am embellishing these cards, and I've got the little green chipboard piece, and I've got the big boo piece, and I'm using those enamel dots that I said are in the shop currently, and I always love enamel dots. I try to always get them when I get collections because I know they'll match perfectly, but also I can use them on literally any project. Using some phrase stickers here, which are great on any project again as well. Using very generic pieces so that you can recreate this. But we are doing challenges over in the Facebook group. So my challenge is to use sequins in your project. This is something I love to do. Sequin pouches, sequin shakers, sequin pockets, all things sequins. I actually have a sequin mix shop where I sell sequin mixes. So it's something that I love and adds so much, I don't know, glitz to a project. You don't have to use sequins in like a pocket like this. You can literally glue sequins across your card, and that does the trick as well. Like you don't have to like do a pocket or do any sewing or anything like that. You can just, just like glue them around your card. That'll look really cool, or whatever project you're doing. So anyway, that is the challenge that I am proposing to you today, and you can go enter that challenge, win prizes in the Scrapbook Nerd Facebook group. That will be down below. So here are the close-ups of my project, and I apologize for this being such a short video. It was just such an easy project, but I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Links will be down below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.